Hi, Mauro. Okay, so here's problem 12. As you know from the other problems, we're trying to get the common denominator on all of these. Okay, so the common denominator, if you expand this out, it's 2 times 2 times x, right? So there's a 2 here, we need another 2 times x. Here there's a 2x that we need another 2 to multiply by. And we have to do it top and bottom, as I said, and this one is already what we want it to be. So we multiply this by 2x and this by 2x. Remember, that's equal to 1, so we're multiplying by 1 there. It doesn't change it. And we do the same thing here with 2, so that when we get done, what we've got is these rational equations here, or these rational expressions, and they all have 4x on the bottom. So instead of multiplying by 4x to cancel it out, I'm just putting what's on top. Like, I'm eliminating that step for the sake of space. So what we've got then is all of this. We can combine these like terms first. And then what do we need to do? We need to get this to one side. Oops. We need to get this to the other side. So we subtract 2x from both sides. Okay. And then we get a 0 there. And now we have a trinomial that we can factor. And when we do that, that's what it turns into. And when we set them equal to 0 and solve, we get those values for x. Okay. There's something that your teacher had, well, the worksheet had said on the top, which says, remember to check for extraneous solutions. Sometimes there's a value of x that doesn't work for one reason or another. And if something, well, I guess we'll talk about that when it comes up, but what you're looking for is anything that it works out to be a solution, but for some reason it doesn't work. It could be that it makes this denominator equal to 0, or something that would eliminate it from being one of the possible answers. I'll talk about that if I see an example of it.